A very good morning to my dear students. Today we are going to begin with mathematics subject of standard 7. So now let us begin with the first lesson from our mathematics textbook, that is geometrical constructions. So this is the lesson which we are going to include in geometry section. So now let's recall whatever we have learned related to this chapter. Okay, so let's start. So now let us recall some of the concepts of geometry what we have learned in standard 6. So the first concept, that was a line. So here I have drawn a line. Okay, so this figure is having arrows at ends. Yes, this tells us that line goes on increasing at both the side or extending on both the sides. I have labeled it A at this point and B here, and we name it as line AB. Afterwards, the next concept, that is line segment. So here is a figure of line segment. A figure which has two end points is called as a line segment. So here how we are going to name it? Seg PQ. Students, always remember that segment is a part of a line. If you will see inside this line, can you see 2 points? Yes, means this is also one segment inside the line. So a segment is a part of a line. Then we had also studied about angle. How to construct an angle. So here I have constructed an angle of measure 40 degree. So we are going to name it as measure angle LMN is equals to 40 degree. Later on we had learned about angle bisector. So now I am going to show you how to construct an angle bisector. We have studied this in standard 6. Okay, but now we are going to revise about it. Okay, so to draw an angle bisector, first we need to construct an angle. Okay, so here I am drawing a ray. Yes, which will be the base of the angle. Yes, I will name it, that is QR. Okay, now I am going to take a compass, and the center of the compass I am going to overlap on this point Q in this way. See, when you are overlapping, the center should go on the vertex Q. Here there is arrow. Yeah, so you will look this side 0. Yes, now I want 60 degrees. So what you are going to do? Yes, you are going to search for 60 inside. See here. Did we get here? Now you will mark a point there, and then you are going to remove your compass, and with the help of scale you are going to join these 2 points. So now we will get an other ray. Yes, and we will name it P. Okay, so here we have got angle PQR which measures 60 degree. Now we are going to draw a bisector for this angle. Yes, so the bisector, whatever we are going to draw, it will divide this angle into 2 equal parts. That is, one part will be 30 degree and other part will be 30 degree. So now let's see how to do the construction. For that, first we are going to take a compass with a pointed pencil in it, and now we are going to overlap the pointed point of the compass on Q in this way, and whatever distance we have taken, that much distance arc we are going to draw. Okay, so after drawing the arc is intersecting ray QR at this point, isn't it? So we will name it S. Okay, and QP at this point, and we'll name it T. Okay, now whatever distance was there, if you want you can increase little bit. Now the pointed point you will keep on T and you are going to draw one arc. Later on, don't change the distance, keep the distance same and keep the compass on point S and draw one arc in this way. After doing this, what you are going to do, take a scale. Now this point, wherever the two arcs are joining or meeting each other, you can little bit make a point with a sharpened pencil. Now this point and the vertex Q, okay, you are going to join in this way. And you are going to name here any letter, whatever you want, you can name it. So this ray QA becomes the angle bisector of angle PQR. Now it will divide the angle into two equal parts. That means it should exactly divide the angle into 30-30 degree. Okay, so now let's check with the compass here. So you can see we are having exact 30 degree bisector, isn't it? Means this angle bisector QA has divided our angle PQR into two equal parts, that is PQA is 30 degree and AQR is equals to 30 degree. So now let us move on to the next point. Let us now recall the construction of perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Okay, so children, first for this we have to construct or draw a line segment of certain measurement. Suppose I am drawing a line segment here of measurement 6 centimeter. Okay, so 0 to 6. Okay, I have marked it and now I have drawn a line. So here I'll just darken little bit the points. I have drawn a line segment AB of 6 centimeter. Now we are going to construct perpendicular bisector for this line segment. So children, what is perpendicular bisector? Perpendicular bisector is a straight standing line, okay, which will make an angle of 90 degree with this seg AB, and also it will divide this seg AB into two equal parts. So this seg AB is of 6 centimeter. Equal parts means it will be divided into 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Now 4 angles will be formed because of it, and all those 4 angles will be 90 degree. So now let us see how to construct it. You are going to take a compass and you will keep the pointed point on A and you will take more than half distance in your compass and you will draw an arc up and one arc down in this way. Now don't change the distance and keep the pointed point on point B and draw an arc up and draw an arc down. After doing this, what we are going to do? We are going to join these 2 points in this way. So here I have drawn a perpendicular to line AB. Now I will show the symbol of 90 degree. This tells us that this perpendicular line will make an angle of 90 degree to seg AB. Now let's check whether it is dividing into two equal parts or no. So you can see here this is exactly 3 centimeter. Can you see? Yes. So we can show it in this way. Two lines. These two lines tell us, and we will name the center as O. Okay. So we can say that seg OA is equal to OB. Did you understand how to do the construction of perpendicular bisector? So this was the revision what we have studied in standard 6. So now let us start with the next point of standard 7th.